Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Rains bring down the hot temperatures and the body begins to demand a high calorie, spicy and nutritious food. And one such dish that I love to make is tasty, healthy and safe Veg Chowmein using no synthetic vinegar, no Ajinomoto or MSG or Monosodium glutamate. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Green chilies, lemon and garlic. This is as per as your taste. And carrots, capsicum, cabbage and onions is 300 grams, and remember noodles are also going to be 300 grams. Now take green chilies and garlic and make a paste. There, they're done. Now to boil the noodles. Remember I told you noodles are also 300 grams. Add water, enough water to boil the noodles in. Add any natural salt. People prefer to add vinegar also, which I don't. Sesame or peanut oil. Now add the noodles to boil and boil till they soften up to 90%. Now that takes a little time, and so that you do not overboil the noodles, keep checking the noodles intermittently at regular intervals. And if you notice, the starch leaves the noodles. That is what is wanted. And after about 6 minutes, noodles are about 90% done. Soft, supple. Now switch off the heat and remove the noodles. To strain the noodles and discard the starch filled water. That is not to be used, as starch is harmful for the body and health. And once strained, to stop the process of cooking, rinse the noodles well with cold water and discard this water also, because it also has starch. Now add a little sesame or peanut oil and mix well. Sesame or peanut oil add to a wok or kadai or a fry pan. Add green chili and garlic paste when the oil is hot and stir well so that it does not stick to the bottom and burn out, and stir till the raw taste goes away or the smell goes away. Now add the onions and stir well and stir till they change color. Add the carrots and stir well, and remember to keep the flame on high. Stir very well. Add the capsicum and again stir well. Slowly you will see that the vegetables are softening. And add the cabbage and stir well. Stir really well. Now add any natural salt as per as your taste and stir well again. And as I said, Stir well. Salt must be as per as your taste. Now, add green chili sauce as per as your taste. And stir well. Now when done, add red chili and tomato sauce. This is my favorite. And again as per as your taste. And stir well. You can even add red chili sauce. When done, add soya sauce. Again as per your taste. There. When done, stir well. Stir well and do not allow the vegetables to stick to the bottom. Now it's time to add the noodles. Add the noodles and stir well. Separate the noodles and stir well. Stir the vegetables well. Mix the vegetables and the noodles and stir well. Mix the noodles and the sauces. Stir well. Taste to add corrections if required, if any. No, none at all, and beautiful taste. And now add juice of one or more lemon. This is the last ingredient and an alternative to synthetic vinegar. And when done, stir well, mix well, and our tasty, healthy, safe veg chowmein is ready. Switch off the heat and serve extremely tasty, healthy and safe chowmein to all your known, especially during rains on a rainy day. And enjoy.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.